Hi, this is Stacy with another JDS Insider. Today I'll be showing you tips and tricks on how to do polar camels in a convection oven. So when you place these into the oven, when you have an artwork on both sides of the polar camel, the trick is to make sure the vent hits on both sides of the polar camel. So I'm gonna place this in with my tape out so that way I know what side of the artwork is. So I'm gonna place it in so the artwork is gonna be on this side facing the fan. And I'm gonna do the same with the next one. And as you can see, they need to be staggered. If you put them right like this, the one polar camel is never gonna get a good image. You must have it staggered so that way the fan is hitting both sides of the polar camel on one side. Now halfway through my time, I'm gonna rotate them 180 degrees so that way the fan then can hit the other side with the logo, and then that logo will be consistent and look good on both sides. You can do multiples in your oven, but every oven is different. So I would recommend doing 2 to start out with and seeing what your oven is capable of doing. One more tip for you, if you are doing only one-sided logo on a polar camel, always have that logo pointing towards the fan. So when you're wrapping it, always remember where that logo is at. So it's pointing towards the fan. I hope these tips and tricks have been helpful, and now you know.